LINCO Lincostore Photography Photo Table Top Studio Lighting Kit 30 seconds to storage. About this item. 2. Studio LED Light Bulb 5500K. 2. Zenith 30 inches High Light Stand, 2 sections. 2. Mini-cirrus New Design Light Head with beautiful look and smooth handheld place. 2. 15-inch Morning Glory Softbox and diffuser. 4. Tabletop studio lighting use. LINCO AM115 Studio Lighting Kit includes. Package included. 2. 800 lumens lighting output LED light bulb, 110V 60W 5000K. 2. Zenith 30 inches High Light Stand, 2 sections. 2. Mini-cirrus New Design Light Head with beautiful look and smooth handheld place. 2. 15-inch Morning Glory Softbox and diffuser. 15-inch Morning Glory Softbox and diffuser. The Morning Glory Softbox is the first ever softbox capable of changing the radius, intensity direction of light by transforming into an adjustable snoot. By pulling the drawstring, experience the freedom of controlling light for all your lighting applications. To be a reflector, zoomable. To be a softbox when covered by a diffuser. To be a bulb protective and storage system when tightening the string, no need to be disassembled. High reflective material. Can assemble with other accessories. Mini-cirrus New Design Light Head. Compact package, stable and high quality product, lightweight, easy to carry. Compact design. 1/2 weight of conventional light heads, ultra lightweight at only 4.2 ounces. Perfect for on-location studio use. Superb ergonomics. Unique patented design, V-shaped handle, for easy adjustment and increased grip. Durable build. Premium polyamide construction, durable double-layered socket. One-piece unibody manufacturing, cross-section reinforced backing. 800 lumens lighting output LED light bulb, 110V 60W 5000K. That premium photography studio spherical LED light bulb lights deliver true and crisp colors with an accurate CRI. And daylight light bulb are daylight, white, balanced at 5000K, which allows them to be combined easily with ambient, window light for supplemental lighting. 60W spherical LED bulb. Standard screw-in base. 5000K color temperature. 60 watts, 800 lumens lighting output. Only use 8.5 W energy. Designed for usage at 110V, 60 Hz, silent and flickerless operation. Zenith 30 inches high light stand. The light stand collapses easily and is very lightweight to carry. Light stands arrive with a 1/4 standard screw tip on the top, perpendicular mounting stud head. Turning knobs are reinforced and durable. Light stand legs are built to last and specially designed to keep your load balanced and able to hold most of lighting equipment, making it a perfect compact light stand. Maximum height, 30 in. Die-cast steel, for quality built. Lightweight, easy to transport. Max load, 5 lbs, zinc stud head.